This is so awkward. I don't know what to do. I was like, he's so cute. I believe it's gonna be so negative. I guess I was pretty ballsy as a teenager. He was clueless. What terms are we on bad? I think you're I don't know. You're just. Thank you. I think you're a catch, but not for me. I guess. He's just. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nikita Nair. So my best friend sent me a link to this video here and has been hounding me to get it done for the past 1.5 months, and I just haven't gathered the courage to do it. This is sending a Google form to your crushes. The basic idea is to prepare a questionnaire and send it to people you might have had an attraction to in the past. To be honest, I haven't had that many crushes. I've really had to think about my social networks to send this form to people. I also added a note saying if you received this link, it's probably because I had a crush on you. Please be brutally honest and please don't consider this me hitting on you, because it's all in the past and it's all for entertainment. We have questions like, what's your name? Is it fine if I mention you in the video? Did you know I have a crush on you? If you did, how? If I told you I had a crush on you, would you have reciprocated? Rate my attractiveness. Now, is it such a cringe question? Next is rate my personality. Describe a memory you have of me. What terms are we on today? Add an image if you want. Is this awkward? And any final word for my subscribers. I'm nervous to send this to a few people because I know for a fact that they dislike me. Also, some of the people included in this list don't know I exist. So I'm really nervous. I just send it to them real quick. I just sent the message to all the people I had on the list. And I'm so nervous. I'm just gonna throw my phone away and not look at it for the past 5 days, you guys. For a person who seemingly has anxiety, I seem to put myself in such situations far too often. I don't know if it's worth it. I just hope people respond. I'm not even sure if they'll respond. It's so awkward.
This is the worst.
I don't know what to do. I will see you in 5 days. Bye. Hi guys, so it has been a week since I sent out the form, and I did have to send out a few reminders, but 7 out of 8 people filled it. The one person who didn't fill it, fine, I'm not salty about it. You did read my message like a second after I sent it. And my best friend thinks that he didn't respond because he thinks I'm going to backpack on his Southern Indian minor celebrity status. But this was 100% anonymous if you wanted it to be, so I don't know what success you're talking about. Also, it's very inconsequential to me because I wouldn't even know you existed if you weren't in my best friend's class.
I'm fine.
Moving on, I haven't seen the results of them filling up the form yet. I wanted to be completely surprised. Yes, I did change my hair and I'm changing it again in 2 days, so the first person that I'm going to read out is Ayush. So he was my crush back when we were 5 years old and playing together. We used to live in the same society, but he moved away immediately after. Last year, somehow, I found him on Facebook and I sent him a message, and yeah, he's been kind enough to fill this form up, so thank you so much. It's fine if I mention him. He did not know I had a crush on him. I told you I did. He would have reciprocated. That's so sweet, but we were 5, so rate my attractiveness 9. My personality 9. Thank you. Spain, I remember having been really upset that I had to move back. I was in 3rd grade. Yeah, I was upset because it meant moving away from you. I remember telling you I'm moving into a construction site in the playground. That is so funny because I have no memory of that. I just remember this really cute kid that I used to play with when I was a child.
Aww.
You did add an image, so. Is this awkward? No, it's cool. I'm proud of the YouTube thing and you putting yourself out there. Best of luck. Thank you for being such a good sport. Any words? Stay safe. Okay, so the next person we're going to talk about is Dharmesh. I've known him for like 19 years now. And I had a crush on him back when we were like 10 for 1 week. He's just one of my closest friends. I haven't spoken to him in a year because we're in the middle of a fight. But he did fill this form up. So, name Dharmesh. Is it fine? Yeah. Did you know I had a crush? Yeah, because he teased me relentlessly about it even though it was only for like a week. How do you know? Couldn't remember. Would you have reciprocated? Yes. He's like the Joey to my Phoebe, so I can kind of understand that he would reciprocate. Rate my attractiveness 7. Rate my personality 8.
Traitor.
You don't have to be so honest. Describe a memory first alcohol at your house. So yeah, we were 12 and me, Dharmesh and one of our other friends tried alcohol for the first time. Just a sip, but they ended up brushing their teeth after. It was really funny. What terms are we on? Bad. Yeah, we haven't spoken in a year. Hopefully I'll talk to you when I get to Mumbai. Is this awkward? No. YouTube subscribers, keep going. You should definitely check out his YouTube channel. I mean, he doesn't need my shout out. He has thousands of subscribers. But he's a phenomenal dancer. And next would be my crush that I had in 8th grade. So like the first serious crush I had. It was very puppy lovish type. But it was kind of cute. And I haven't spoken to him much. But I sent him the link and he filled it up. Thank you, Sandeep. Is it fine? Yeah. Did you know I had a crush on you? Yeah, obviously. I used to stand outside your house like all the time. If you knew, how could you tell? Oh, I didn't remember I did that. But yeah, I used to write a lot of letters when I was a kid. Rate my attractiveness 10. Personality 10. Late night sitting on the stairs and talking to you through your window. I used to have a bunk bed, so my window was on the level with the stairs outside. So I used to sit there and talk. It's cute. Is this awkward? Kinda. What terms are we on strangers? I know we don't talk as much now. We're like in completely different places in our life. But thank you so much for being so kind. Any words? Is totally crazy and a hardworking YouTuber. He is absolutely right. I'm a psychopath. So the next is Kundan. I don't remember ever talking to him, but I saw him perform during our orientation because he was a senior. I found him really cute. And I did send him this message here, but I have no memory of doing that.
Casual breezy
I
message.
guess I was pretty ballsy as a teenager. Is it fine? Yeah, blah blah blah. Did you know? No, obviously I never spoke to you. So you couldn't even tell. Would you have reciprocated? Maybe. I mean, yeah, I don't know. He doesn't know me. Rate my attractiveness 8. Rate my personality 8. Thank you, Kulthar. You're just too sweet, I guess. Describe a memory. I don't know. I don't think we've spent a lot of time together. And you're right, we haven't. What terms are we on? Acquaintances? I mean, we could be. I don't know you as a person. Want to be friends? Sure. Hit me up. Is it awkward? Kinda. I'm just trying to make life a little more exciting every day. It's so boring nowadays. Any words? You all have a good time. This is so funny and fun. Kind of awkward. Like, I'm putting myself out there for these people to rate. Next is my friend Aditya. He was in my dance team. He's a phenomenal dancer. Are you guys sensing a trend here? I do have a thing for dancers. Even the person who didn't fill up a form, I only liked him because he's a phenomenal dancer. Okay, fine. Did you know I had a crush on you? Yes, of course you knew because I met you on your birthday at like 6 a.m. because you were busy the whole day. Would you have reciprocated? Maybe. Attractiveness 7, personality 8. Thank you. Describe a memory. We roamed around college and you bought chocolates. That's when we opened up about things you have done in life, good and bad. I guess I am a sucker for those deep conversations. It's fun getting to know people and how they think and what they've been through. How life has shaped them, I guess. What terms are we on? Friends? Yes. And hopefully, if you're free, we can make a dance video someday. That'll be fun. Is this awkward? Totally. Any words? Divert them to my Instagram. So you guys can check out his Instagram. I'll link it here. You can also check out our dance video. I'll link it down. Next is Prayas. One of my really good friends. We haven't spoken much lately, but I can't tell you the countless number of times he's been my therapist. We went on one date and then I realized we're better friends. But he's a phenomenal guy, has beautiful eyes. He reads Freud for time pass. Prayas, how are you single?
How are you still single?
I mean, anger issues aside. Moving on. Yeah. Did you know I had a crush on you? No. I didn't technically. Like, we did go out on a date, so I could figure out our status. So, yeah. There are subtle signs, but there's only one way to know for sure, obviously. Just thank you for being there for me all these years, I guess. I should talk to you more than I do. Would you have reciprocated? Maybe. I could sense that he would definitely, by the way. Rate my attractiveness 10, rate my personality 10.
That's really nice.
Describe a memory best bro. I have no idea what that means. What terms are we on? Excellent. Is this awkward? A little. Okay, any words? Choose wisely. Congratulations. He means subscribe because that's the best thing to do in this situation. Okay, so the last person that filled up this form, I know for a fact hates me. Okay, I won't say hate, dislikes me and dislikes my content, but we do roam around in the same circles a lot of the times in college and during an internship. And I did act like an idiot once. I don't know if I do have a crush on him, but that's the only excuse I can give for being an idiot. Fine, you know what I'm talking about. I don't want to read it, it's gonna be so negative.
I am so scared.
Okay. Blah blah blah. Did you know I had a crush on you? No. Technically, I just found you really attractive. I think you carry yourself really well. Would you have reciprocated? No. Rate my attractiveness 6, rate my personality 6. I expected that, to be honest. Describe a memory. I have memory problems, honestly. I mean, I don't think we've ever had one-on-one time, but we've hung out a lot of times with our group. What terms are we on today? No idea. I do.
Let's be honest.
You hate on me, I know that, but thank you so much for filling this form up regardless. I did not expect that. It's really sporting of you to be doing this. Is this awkward? Yes, quite. Any words for my YouTube subscriber? Make me famous. He's a really good guy and he's cute, so girls, if you want to check him out, I'll link his Insta. I don't know if he's single, but whatever, hit him up. DM him, bye. That's all of the guys I have had a crush on previously, not including the people I dated or the current guy I have a crush on, which I mentioned in this video and I told him I liked him, so you should definitely check that out. It was kind of awkward, kind of funny, kind of sweet. Kudos to the guys, honestly. I choose to put myself out there, but you guys just got pushed into it by me, so I'm really grateful that you did participate in this. And all of you guys are really great and thank you so much. To my subscribers, the words I'd like to say is, if you do have a crush on someone, let them know. If they like you back, well and good. If they don't like you back, fine. At least you told them, and it's always nice to hear when people have a crush on you. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope my life is entertaining enough for you all. If you have any other suggestions, let me know. I'd love to make my life a little more awkward, and I'll see you bitches later. Bye!